Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Mercury Banking for Startups. Review my usage experience. Mercury Banking for Startups. Review my usage experience offers business banking services specifically designed for startups. It aims to streamline financial management for early-stage companies, offering features like integrated accounting tools, expense management, and potentially API integrations. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Mercury's positioning is as a modern, tech-forward banking solution for startups, contrasting with traditional banking institutions. They emphasize ease of use and a seamless digital experience. Their website highlights features designed to simplify financial operations for businesses, including potentially transparent pricing and potentially no hidden fees, although specific details vary based on the plan. Availability is limited to the US, their website details eligible states. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Mercury Banking for Startups. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The onboarding process was straightforward. I was up and running with a business account within a few hours. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it simple to track expenses, manage invoices, and reconcile accounts. I particularly appreciated the integrated expense tracking, which automatically categorized my transactions. I also found the reporting tools very helpful in analyzing my cash flow. The platform performed flawlessly during my usage. I never experienced any downtime or glitches. I had a quick question about integrating with my accounting software, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a helpful solution. A standout feature for me was definitely the ease of creating custom reports. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Managing everything from my desktop only sometimes felt slightly inconvenient. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Mercury Banking. While it has a few minor quirks, it generally met my needs and significantly streamlined my financial management. That's my overview of Mercury Banking for Startups. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.